Hello, I'm Mads Sorensen. I'm a professor of otolaryngology and an ear surgeon at Rigshospitalet, University of Copenhagen. And I'm going to SEOCOM this August to learn about endoscopic ear surgery with two hands, but also to teach about how to train for ear surgery with a virtual simulator, and how to print temporal bones that you can use to practice and train. I'll be demonstrating a range of different simulators in my talk, and I'll concentrate especially on the Visible Ear Simulator, which was a project initiated by me, and I have a group in Copenhagen which is now working on the simulator. It's a free simulator, so you can actually there's actually a take-home message, so you can go home and establish virtual training in your department or even in your home. All you need is a fast computer with a GeForce graphic card, the one your kids use when they play shooting games, and you will need to buy a haptic device, which is a device like this, a 3D mouse with haptic feedback, so you can actually feel the model when you drill. And integrated in the simulator is a function where you can actually export STL files that you can use with a cheap printer to print, or you can use an expensive printer if you feel lucky and have very nice prints that you can either use as trophies after drilling, or you can use them as nice new temporal bones that you can actually drill with facial nerves and the dura and the sinus and everything. Such a model can be made for only maybe $5, $6, $7 a piece, and you can establish everything at home, and I'll give you practical advice on how to do everything. See you at SEOCOM.